Again, our topic here is sentence completion. That's the question type. We don't have any facts on these types of questions aside from word understanding, right, meanings. And so we jump right into strategy. So looking at this number three, we see that our blank is late in the problem and we have a break in our sentences here. It's always a good idea. This is kind of the first strategy, right? Always a good idea to look at where the blank is and how one part of the question might inform the other part of the question. So I'm seeing if I even start at this break, a collaboration between this tribe and this university blanks this model. Okay, so I know that up here must be describing a model. And my question is, does this blank, is it going to be, it supports the model or it goes against the model, right? And so the question is, what is here that explains what the model is? And then what is here, right, that will connect us? And is this second part going to support or contradict this first part? And by dissecting the problem that way from the start, and just doing practice where you recognize how different parts of the sentence connect, you're going to get so much better at understanding the test itself. So let's do this one quickly. Following the principles of community-based participatory research, tribal nations and research institutions, these are the two players here, are equal partners in health studies. A collaboration between, here's the tribal nation, here's the university, right? Blank this model. Tribal citizens worked alongside scientists to design it. So they're working alongside each other. We know then this is a positive word, right? These correlate in terms of supporting this model or demonstrate this model, right? So I'm going to say support or demonstrate. And so we are going to get a word that is positively correlated, right? We can get rid, you might not know what some of these are, right? So we might not be able to get rid of them, but we could probably get rid of eclipse or fabricate. Most people will be able to get rid of those, and we might be left with these two. Circumvent, we might not know what that means, so might just have to leave that one and kind of say, I don't really know what I'm doing with it. But when we get to exemplifies, you might notice, well, that is precisely what it means to demonstrate or support. And it's definitely a positive one. It fits perfectly, and we are done.